Hi DIY friends! I bet I have you running to your laundry room to grab dryer sheets by the end of this video. If you're new here, my name is Shannon and I want to welcome you here to my channel, The Daily DIYer. I bet you didn't realize there are so many amazing different ways that you can use dryer sheets, and I have 21 hacks and ideas for you today. The absolute best deal that I could find on dryer sheets was, of course, at my favorite store, Dollar Tree. You can find these bonus packs of 55 dryer sheets for only $1.25, which breaks down to only about 2 cents each. You can also find a similar deal with a pack of 50 from Dollar General for only $1. And if you've already got dryer sheets in your laundry room, then you are set and ready to go and can try some of these ideas today. Now, I'm so excited about this very first idea, so let's jump right into it right now. So this hack is actually for your vehicle. This is a great, simple, and inexpensive way to keep your car smelling fresh. All you have to do is fold over a dryer sheet a few times so it fits into your car's air vent. But here's the trick. You want to fold it over the plastic of the vent so they don't get lost down into the inside of your car. You can actually also add a little clip on here too if you like your car wind speed on high. This is another idea for your car, and this idea will also save you a lot of money. If you have a car freshener that requires refills like mine, which is from Bath & Body Works, you can use dryer sheets as refills instead. All you have to do is fold and cut your dryer sheet to size and use in place of a refill. Once your scent wears off, you can add essential oils onto the old dryer sheet for a new scent. I always love stepping into a fresh smelling car. I don't know about you, but this is a problem that I have every single winter. My hair gets so dry that I get lots of static. So what I do is I actually keep a dryer sheet in my vanity and in my bathroom vanity. That way, anytime static strikes, I'm prepared. All you have to do is rub that across your hair and the static disappears. And here's another idea. If you have a hard bristle brush, you can actually take your dryer sheet and push it down onto those bristles until they pop through, and then use your brush normally as you brush your hair so that you don't incorporate static into your hair either. If you have a Swiffer style dust mop, then you know those refills can get pretty pricey too. Save yourself money by using dryer sheets instead. My dust mop is from IKEA and it still has the corner grips, so I was able to add 2 dryer sheets to my current dust mop, and it's worked so great for quick dusting of the floors, and it also picks up the pet hair and those dust bunnies perfectly. I was able to do all of my floors with just 2 dryer sheets, and then once I was finished, it was easy to just toss them in the trash. This next hack I do all the time. I actually use dryer sheets to dust my couch, especially the backs of the couches and the arms where dust tends to collect. I just rub a dryer sheet over the entire couch along with the pillows. Not only is it cleaning up the dust, but it's also giving us a nice, refreshing scent. Do you want that refreshing scent to last even longer? You can actually add dryer sheets into your throw pillow covers. As long as you have covers on those throw pillows, you can unzip them, lay a dryer sheet flat inside for a long-lasting, fresh smell. This was a new hack to me I had never tried before, but it actually does work. If you ever get deodorant on your clothing, I'm kind of sacrificing my leggings for this one, just take a dryer sheet and rub it over the stain. Make sure it's a used dryer sheet, and it does literally pretty much make it disappear, and you don't have to change your clothes. If you don't have a lint roller on hand, grab a used dryer sheet instead. Just wipe from top to bottom until all of the lint and fuzz is gone. Did you know dryer sheets can also remove crayon marks from counters and tabletops? I had to prove to you, yes, I drew on my countertop to show you this hack. Basically, I just used my dryer sheet dry first, got a little bit of water to make sure to get all of the leftover crayon off the counter, wiped it dry, and sure enough, it removed the crayon perfectly. I have to admit that I've had my iron for 10 years and I've never cleaned it, but it is so easy of a process to do. All you have to do is set your iron onto the lowest setting, which was nylon on my iron, laid out a dryer sheet, and once it came to temperature, you'll just rub your iron from top to bottom, and what it does is it will clean and shine up your iron for you. You'll want to use a used dryer sheet for this next hack. You can use it as a liner on the inside of your terracotta pots. A lot of them have pretty large holes in the bottom, like mine does, where dirt tends to fall out. So if you add this liner just folded over in the bottom of your pot before adding your plant, you'll have a lot less mess each time you go to water it. Dryer sheets make a great cleaner, basically because they kind of have a very low abrasive texture to them. So what I like to do is add a little bit of cleaner into the sink of my bathroom and then use the dryer sheet to scrub it down, especially in the area right here where all the water drains out. It gets down in there and scrubs it without hurting my porcelain sink. You'll just rinse all of your sink out before drying it off, and we have a nice clean and shiny sink. Now let's talk about this messy faucet. Of course, a dryer sheet will clean the chrome too, just like the sink. But did you know it will also help prevent future watermarks? It's a pretty cool trick. You should definitely give it a try. Now, while we're still in the bathroom, let's go ahead and deodorize in here as well. A fun and easy trick is to just roll up some of your dryer sheets and throw them into your toilet paper tubes. It's simple, easy, and as you roll the toilet paper, it will help deodorize the room. You can also use this similar concept for other smelly, stinky places like shoes. So all you have to do, again, is roll this up, stick them down into your shoes, and take them out before you wear them the next time. Grab out your scissors. This is a hack everyone needs to try. Rub a dryer sheet over the metal part. Not only is it going to clean the blades of your scissors, but it's also going to sort of lubricate it, so it makes it easier for your scissors to open and close. You can also use dryer sheets to help sharpen the blades of your scissors. Just fold one in half and cut through the dryer sheet. You can also use foil for this, but if you don't have any on hand, you can use a dryer sheet instead. These are also great to shine up stainless steel. So what I do is actually clean and disinfect my refrigerator and appliances first, and then take a dryer sheet over that to polish them up. A lot of times there is a grain, so make sure you go with the grain of the stainless steel. You can also deodorize trash cans, whether it's in the kitchen or in the bathroom. Just lay a few sheets of the dryer sheets in the bottom of your trash can before adding your trash bag. The cool thing is you can leave these in the bottom of your trash can for a few uses as long as the bottom of your trash can stays dry. So most of my life, I've just used my hands to remove the lint from my dryer vent. However, if you already have a used dryer sheet coming out of your dryer, why not use that to actually rid your dryer vent from all of the particles and dust and lint? It actually will help to static clean some extra particles in there as well. For this hack, you are specifically going to need Bounce brand dryer sheets, which you can also find at Dollar Tree. It is kind of controversial whether this works or not, but apparently if you put them in your pockets, it will help repel bugs and mosquitoes. And I am definitely not a bug person, so anything that might possibly keep bugs away from me, I am all for. And it also smells much better than bug spray. I'd also heard this next hack worked, but I'd never tried it before. You'll need a toilet paper tube, some lint from your dryer, and also some used dryer sheets that you stick into that toilet paper tube and use it for a fire starter. And let me tell you, this definitely worked. This caught on fire so quickly. So be careful, especially anything that has to do with fire. But we just added this into our fire pit and then enjoyed a family night of roasted marshmallows. I love being able to take things that are already around your house or that are super inexpensive to use for everyday cleaning and ideas. Let me know down in the comments below which one of these hacks was your favorite. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you are new, and I'll have more hack ideas popping up on your screen you can head over and check out next. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.